All right, so linking a dimension to a text box in AutoCAD. Let's go ahead and grab a dimension so I have something to start with. And from there, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Go ahead and snap that dimension to the endpoints there in the rectangle. Okay, after that dimension's attached, we're going to go ahead and add an mtext field. Just go ahead and throw some generic text in there just so we have a starting point. Adjust the height, that way we can see what we're doing. From there, you're going to want to go up to the ribbon and select field. And we are looking for not formula. There's some cool stuff in here, but it's not what we want. We're looking for object. And there it is. And then from there, select this select object box and click on the dimension. So I did not choose one very important option in that field dialog box. So I went ahead and threw a new dimension on there just to start fresh. Go back into the field command, select the dimension, and then in this box we're looking for measurement. Select that, and then from the list here you can choose your format. I'm going to go ahead and choose fractional, and then click OK. And as you can see, it matches exactly the dimension on the part. If I go ahead and stretch this, I can type regen, hit enter, and it updates to match. So just for good measure, I'll put another dimension on the part, type mtext, put another text object on the drawing, go to the field command, select object, select your dimension, and then from there we're looking for measurement, and I chose fractional as a format. Click OK. Go ahead and match objects with the other text box so we can see what we have in there. And then if you stretch the part, type regen, hit enter, and they both automatically update.